Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Chainlink from KuCoin to Kraken in 2025. If you're looking to move your Chainlink tokens for better security, lower fees, or just to diversify your holdings, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both KuCoin and Kraken, and that your Chainlink tokens are in your KuCoin wallet. Start by logging into your KuCoin account. Once you're in, head over to the Assets or Wallets section and find your Chainlink balance. It's usually listed under your portfolio. Next, you'll need to withdraw your Chainlink. Click on the Withdraw option for Link. Before you proceed, note that Chainlink typically uses the Ethereum network, so select ERC20 as the network type to ensure compatibility with Kraken. Now, grab your Kraken deposit address. Log into your Kraken account, go to the Funding section, and select Chainlink. Copy the deposit address provided. Double-check that it's for the correct network to prevent any loss of funds. Back on KuCoin, paste the Kraken address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Chainlink you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees. Review all the details carefully. Wrong addresses can mean permanent loss. Hit confirm, and you'll get a confirmation email or text if you have two-factor authentication set up. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on network congestion. Head back to Kraken and check your account under the Funding section to see if the tokens have arrived. If everything goes smoothly, congrats, you've successfully transferred your Chainlink. A quick word of caution. Always use the exact network specified, watch out for gas fees, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, consider starting with a small amount. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.